Welcome to ICTBroadcast. In this tutorial we will learn how to add and prepare contacts. In the first step, select Contacts from the left sidebar menu, and click on Contact Group, then click on Add New button. You will see a contact group form. Enter your title and save it from top right side. You will save contact group successfully. Then click on Contacts on your left side under Contacts menu. You will see the list of contacts. Click on Add New button and fill personal information of contact, first name, last name, phone number, email and physical address, and then select Contact Group. After that, save it from the right top bar. If you have a contact group list, you can also import your contacts by clicking the Import button. After that, a form will appear. Browse your CSV file in your computer and save it from the top right side, then you will import contacts successfully. Thanks for watching. For more information, check our website, ICTBroadcast.com.